Hey, what's up guys? Dan here with Total Shape. And if you're thinking of trying out Blokes TRT service, their testosterone replacement therapy, definitely watch my video until the end. I tried out their service. I even have some notes here for you based off my experience, just numbers, some stats, what they actually offer, all of that. And by the end of this video, you're gonna know whether they're for you or not. I'm gonna tell you the punchline now. I personally don't recommend you use them, but you may like them after you hear what I have to share. There is another service called Fountain TRT that I'm actually reviewing because I'm personally using them and they're incredible. I actually have a link down below you can use to sign up for them and get like a really good introductory discount. And you'll know why I'm recommending Fountain TRT over Blokes in a moment. But to do Blokes TRT service justice, let me get into like some facts about them that you should be aware of. Okay, number one, Blokes TRT is an absolute 100% bona fide legitimate service. A lot of their clinicians, if my memory serves me well, are even board certified, which is very impressive. So they're a legit service with really great credentials and they're trustworthy. You're gonna get some solid TRT replacement therapy, either by injection or topical cream. They may even have another option. I don't quite remember, don't quote me on that. But here's what I don't like about them. Guys, we're living in a time where we have a lot of options for telemed services. This TRT online thing is huge now. So I can literally cherry pick the one that I want based off my needs. And quite frankly, Blokes TRT, if money is not an issue and upfrontness is not an issue to you, then go ahead and use them by all means. But my problem with them is this. They say that it's gonna be about $167 a month for their basic subscription, right? And they're asking for a minimum of a 3-month commitment, which I absolutely hate. That 3-month commitment is $501, not just 500, 501. That's a huge commitment to make upfront for a service that I don't even know is gonna be legit or is even gonna be, I don't know the shipping speed. I don't know, what if I have questions? What if I have some kind of adverse reaction and I need to reach out to you and see how responsive your team is? And I have to just wager like $500 and 3 months and just hope and gamble that you guys are great. I don't like that. If you're a legit service, do what every other online TRT clinic is offering and start with an introductory month. Sometimes these companies even offer first month money back guarantee if you're not satisfied. That screams confidence to me. This screams, let's wrap the new client in and basically like tie them down to a 3-month commitment. That way, if they leave because they hate us, at least we made $500. I don't like that. To their credit though, they do offer topical creams and injection. And also to their credit, I was very impressed by this. Again, I'm gonna give a fair, review to Blokes, even though I'm not personally recommending them, okay? Because I tried them out, there's some things I thought were pretty good. I like that they offer either an in-person, you can get your blood work taken in person, or you can have a kit, you can take blood yourself and then send it. It's more comprehensive if you do it in person, and you can do it through Quest Lab or LabCorp. So you can, their locations pretty much everywhere. You just, find a provider and you're good to go. And that's a bit more comprehensive because they, they're professionals, they take your blood fully, and you can get just really a better read on your blood. And that really is to their credit because a lot of people won't mind paying that extra and won't mind taking the time and the gas to go to an in-person lab and have their blood taken. But also, they are marketing themselves as an ongoing therapy treatment. And what they really mean by that, guys, and I hate to say it, but it's the truth, is it's upselling city. It means that you might only need 3 months of TRT. Not everybody needs ongoing therapy, but they market themselves as an ongoing therapeutic and coaching program because every single step along the way, guess what? They're gonna try to upsell you and they're gonna try to pressure you to keep going. And that always makes me feel, shady city. I don't like that. So again, Blokes online service is a legit service. They're not gonna necessarily scam you, but I do feel like they're more invested in the dollar than the actual client. Whereas Fountain TRT, man, it is one base price, $199 a month. Like I said, that link will get you a pretty good discount on their first month or whatever. $199 a month, and that includes everything. That includes your testing. They don't do in-person testing. They don't offer that. That's one thing that Blokes has on them, I gotta say. But you can just send in your blood work yourself. And when you have questions, guys, any questions at all, their clinicians are extremely responsive and quite frankly, they're very ethical. So they're not gonna constantly be trying to upsell you. And guess what? They wouldn't upsell you anyway because it's one flat fee, baby. And when I know that you're not trying to upsell me, then guess what? The incentive to go after my best interest instead of going after my wallet basically is eradicated. Or in other words, the only thing really motivating them is taking care of you, not getting a higher commission by selling you on more of their services or higher tier services or whatever. Customer service, like I said, they're super responsive, any questions you have. And if I sound like I'm raving about them, it's because I'm personally using them and I'm getting great results. And guess what? I can even take a month off if I want to and then come back and I'm still paying the same price. They're not constantly trying to wrangle me in. And quite frankly, I got my T levels to a good level and I did get off the service for about 60 days. And then I kind of, you know, I ended up slacking on the lifestyle implementations that were keeping my testosterone high, i.e. heavy weightlifting. I had a couple weddings in a row, personal things that were keeping me, you know, from the gym. And also I wasn't doing cold exposure as much. Two lifestyle things that I personally do to increase my testosterone. During the 60 days that I, you know, ended up going off Fountain TRT because I didn't need it, I ended up stopping those lifestyle things or, you know, minimizing them a lot. My testosterone therefore, you know, plummeted a bit and then I went right back and guess what? No problem. So again, that link to try Fountain TRT is down below. I'm more than happy to answer any other specific questions about my experience with Fountain TRT and I'll see you guys in the next video.